hey guys, we just got done grocery shopping and I haven't videoed anything today because I've just been busy cleaning. I was trying to get everything done before Chris came home because he actually got to come home early today, which was really nice because he's been working late the rest of the week. And now we're going to Walmart because we don't have a Target, because if we had a Target we'd be going to Target instead. I mean, we could if we really wanted to, but it's quite a drive to get to our closest Target. And that's about all. But I did want to ask one question. What do you think is better, fruit snacks or Gushers? What do you think?
Definitely Gushers.
That's what I would say too. And I was really impressed with Colton because I gave him a choice between Gushers and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fruit snacks, and he loves Ninja Turtles, and he chose the Gushers. He knows what's up. So what do you think, Gushers or fruit snacks? Alright, so Colton and I are gonna make some pancakes. Yummy. Are you excited? Oh, don't whisk my face. Ah! Okay, so we've got 1.5 cups of milk and some vanilla here. Sorry, Hudson's not happy. Here, I'm gonna add that in. Whoa, good job, buddy. You're such a good little baker, Colt. Are you gonna have your own cooking show?
Cooking show.
Alright. Now next, yep, we need the egg, you're right. The egg, and that's 2 teaspoons of oil in there as well. You can also use butter if you want. Okay, you add it. Whoa, baby. Good job. Make sure you get it all. Good job. Alright, now you can mix it. Go ahead.
Oh, it's too big.
It's too big?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's what else did for spoon.
Alright, now we're gonna cook them on the hot griddle.
No, spoon.
We gotta go cook them. They're good. Colton, how's Susie doing?
Ice cream.
How's Susie doing?
Shall we have fun?
She's having fun?
Yeah.
Are you gonna take her out for ice cream?
I'll come down there. How about that?
Oh,
sorry.
Ow.
You got too much of it.
Oh, my butt. This hurts my butt.
I know. You know,
I'm too old for this.
Jean designers have it all wrong. They put that belt loop.
Ow.
They put that back belt loop right where your tailbone is.
Yeah.
So when you sit on the hard ground, it rapes you.
No. Ow. When you sit on the hard ground, ow.
Ow.
I'm tired. It's a really boring vlog. Not much has happened. I don't, it's been like a busy and a productive day, but nothing exciting, if that makes sense.
How was your day,
So.
Chloe?
Hi, Clubhouse. Chloe.
How was your day, sweetheart?
You're so pretty. Pretty girl. Pretty girl.